I often like to think that our map of the world is so wrong that where we have centered physics, we should actually place literature as the central metaphor that we want to work out from, because I think literature occupies the same relationship to life that life occupies to death. And I don't think very many people have thought of it in those terms.
Mind elaborating please on that one? True testimony of the word, please.
Well, in the sense that a book is life with one dimension pulled out of it, and life is something which lacks a dimension which death will give it. I imagine death to be a kind of release into the imagination, in the sense that for characters in a book, what we experience is an unimaginable dimension of freedom.